iPhone locked. To owner, have you just updated to iOS 26.5.2? Restored your iPhone or purchased a used Apple device only to be greeted by the frustrating locked to owner screen? Every year, countless iPhone and iPad users run into activation lock, often when they least expect it. Many users try the IBF tool. You install it on your computer, connect your iPhone, select the correct model and iOS version, and then follow the instructions shown on the screen. It's designed to simplify the process and guide users through a cleaner recovery workflow for supported devices and iOS versions. The process is built to move the device into a clean setup state so you can continue using it again. It supports iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Watch. Once the process is complete, you can go through the setup again, just like you would with a new device, and move forward normally. As always, only use tools and methods on devices you legally own or authorized to repair. As you can see, the device is running iOS 26.5.2, and everything is functioning as expected, including calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.